Hi there, today we're introducing the Strpozt Pot Filler Faucet, a sleek wall-mounted kitchen essential made from solid brass for durability and corrosion resistance. Its modern design features a double-joint swing arm with 2 attachment points that provide stability and prevent leaks. The dual handles offer precise control with a maximum flow rate of 2.2 gallons per minute, filling large pots quickly and quietly. This pot filler extends up to 22.5 inches and conveniently folds away when not in use, saving space over your stove. Installation is simple with standard 1/2-inch NPT threads and a secure upper attachment point for easy tightening. Finished in a classic black, it resists fingerprints and oxidization, enhancing any kitchen style while being easy to clean. Backed by a 5-year limited warranty and responsive customer support, this faucet combines functionality with lasting quality. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.